Welcome to our tutorial on how to add a title image in Yoast SEO for WordPress. In the digital age, ensuring your website is easily discoverable is paramount. This is where search engine optimization, or SEO, steps in. SEO involves fine-tuning various elements of your website so it ranks higher in search engine results. One such element is the title image. A well-optimized title image can pique interest, provide context, and enhance your website's overall SEO performance. If you're a WordPress user, Yoast SEO is a fantastic tool to help you with this. This user-friendly plugin simplifies the process of optimizing your website's SEO, including adding title images. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to add a title image using Yoast SEO and why it's so important for your website's visibility. So, without further ado, let's begin with logging into your WordPress dashboard. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the command center of your website where all the magic happens. Now let's take a stroll over to the left-hand menu. Take a look at all the options you have, but right now, we're interested in one specific tool, the Yoast SEO plugin. It's time to click on that little button marked SEO. That's your gateway to the Yoast SEO plugin. You might be thinking, what's so special about this plugin? Well, it's a game changer when it comes to optimizing your site for search engines. It helps you add meta tags, generate sitemaps, and do a whole lot more. But today, we're focused on title images. Now that we're in the Yoast SEO plugin, it's time to pick the post or page we want to work on. Go ahead and select the one you have in mind. Now, let's select the post or page where we want to add the title image. Choose the post or page where you want to add the title image. You'll do this from your WordPress dashboard. Look for an area called Posts or Pages on the left-hand side. Click on this and you'll see a list of all your published content. Find the one you want to edit and hover over the title. You'll see a set of options appear beneath the title. Go ahead and click on Edit. This will open up the post or page editor. It's here where you'll make the magic happen. From the editor, you can change the content, add images, and alter SEO settings. But for now, we're focused on adding a title image. Next, we'll upload the featured image. Scroll down to the featured image section. Here, you'll see a spot where you can add an image to your post or page. If you haven't uploaded a featured image yet, no worries, it's a breeze. Just click on Set Featured Image and you'll be directed to your media library. This is where all your previously uploaded images are stored. If you have the perfect image in there, great. Just click on it and then hit Set Featured Image. But if you need to upload a new image, that's easy too. Simply click on Upload Files, then select Files. Find the image on your computer, select it, and then hit Open. WordPress will upload the image for you. Once it's done, make sure the image is selected, then click Set Featured Image. With the featured image uploaded, we can now set it as the title image. Opening. After uploading the featured image, scroll back up to the Yoast SEO section. As we continue our journey of optimizing your WordPress site, let's now focus on a crucial step, adding the title image. In the Yoast SEO section that you've just navigated to, you'll find a host of settings specially designed to boost your website's visibility. You'll notice a tab labeled Social. This is where Yoast SEO allows you to customize how your posts appear on social media platforms. Go ahead and click on it. You'll find yourself in a new section filled with options for Facebook and Twitter. Here we're interested in the option labeled Facebook Image. This is where you can designate an image that will appear as the title image when your post or page is shared on Facebook. Remember, a captivating image can significantly increase engagement and click-through rates. So, click on the drop-down menu under the Facebook image label. This is where you'll select the engaging, attention-grabbing image that you've just uploaded. If you've followed along, you should see your recently uploaded featured image as an option. If not, don't worry. You can always click on Upload Image and select the image from your computer or media library. Once you've selected your image, it's time to make sure your hard work doesn't go to waste. Scroll up to the top of your post or page editor and find the Update or Publish button. Clicking on this will save all the changes you've made, including setting your title image. And voila! You've successfully added a title image to your post or page using Yoast SEO. This image will now appear when your post is shared on Facebook, helping to draw in potential visitors and make your content stand out. Closing. Make sure to update or publish your post page to save the changes. But remember, SEO is a continuous process. Keep optimizing, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep learning. Stay tuned for more tutorials on making the most out of WordPress and Yoast SEO. Happy optimizing! And there you have it. We've journeyed together through the steps of adding a title image in Yoast SEO for WordPress. Let's take a moment to recap what we've accomplished. We kicked off by logging into the WordPress dashboard, making our way to the Yoast SEO plugin. From there, we selected the post or page we wanted to enhance with a title image. Then we moved on to uploading a featured image. Remember, this image is not just about aesthetics, it's an influential factor in your SEO performance. The right image can capture attention, convey your message, and even increase click-through rates. Following that, we navigated to the SEO settings for the post or page, diving into the social tab within the Yoast SEO section. A crucial detail to remember is that the Facebook image option is where you set the title image for social media sharing. Lastly, we selected the image we'd previously uploaded as the featured image, updated or published the post or page, and voila! We had successfully added a title image that's ready to make a splash on social media and search engine results alike. So why go through this process? Adding a title image is an integral part of optimizing your title tags, which can greatly influence your website's visibility. It's a simple yet effective way to boost your SEO performance, helping your content stand out in the crowded digital landscape. Stay tuned for more WordPress tutorials and tips. We're dedicated to helping you navigate the world of WordPress, offering simple solutions to enhance your website's performance and user experience. Remember, every step you take towards optimizing your website brings you closer to achieving your digital goals. So keep learning, keep optimizing, and most importantly, enjoy the process. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Your support fuels our content creation, allowing us to bring you more valuable insights and tips. If you have any questions or suggestions, we're all ears. Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy optimizing.